going on? Where's the squirrel? It's gone, huh? You like an idiot. Stop. Ah, Mishka, you're stupid, Mishka. He starts screaming like crazy. The squirrel was right here, you idiot. Oh, Mishka. You gotta learn, man. Gotta learn to be quiet. You are not a hunter, Mishka. You're just a house pet. Stop pretending like you're a hunter, Mishka. Come home. There's a nice big juicy bone here for you, Mishka. Here, lay down and just chew on your bone. You're not a hunter, Mishka. You're a house pet. Stop it. No, that's not what he thinks. It's okay, Mishka. Just keep hunting your squirrels. You're doing good, actually. You're doing good, Mishka. You caught some stuff, so it's okay. Yep, there you go.